let's talk about some symptoms you should never ignore. These symptoms I'll be talking about, when you experience them for like 1, 2, 3 weeks, you have to report them because they are signal to an underlying issue. So you have to report them because they need medical assessment. Now, let's talk about the unexplained weight loss. If you lose like 10 pounds or 22 kg within a month, or you just observe that you keep losing weight every now and then you have to report it to the healthcare professional because frequent weight loss can, point into diabetes, thyroid issues, or chronic infection. So it's my signal that you're having a chronic infection going on in your system. So you have to make sure that you report it so that they can evaluate it for you. Another thing is when you have persistent fatigue. Okay, when you are always tired, you always feel weak, even after you catch some rest, it's not getting better, then you have to check it out because it might be a sign of anemia or thyroid issue. Another thing is changes in skin. You have to pay close attention to your skin. If you notice any form of changes in your skin, if you notice any new growth, or you notice moles that is changing in size, color, and shape, then you have to report it because it can be a sign of skin cancer. And then if you always have nose bleeds, you're bleeding from your nose, then you have to check it out. And then if you always see blood in your vomitors, in your urine, in your stool, in your cough, anything you do, you always see blood, you have to report that because it might be a sign of cancer going on in your system. Please don't forget to share this video and watch out for part 2. Now, let's talk about pain. If you experience pain in your back or your joints, you always feel, joint pain, back pain, and all of that, then you need to report it to the healthcare professional so that they can evaluate it and tell you what the exact problem is, okay? Because sometimes it can be arthritis, and you know that arthritis can spread to the other part of the bone. So you have to report it so that they'll be able to treat it as fast as possible. Now, let's talk about cough. If you have a persistent cough or an ongoing cough that does not go away after 2 weeks, then you need to report it to the healthcare professionals, okay? Because when you have an ongoing cough that does not go away after 2 weeks, it could be tuberculosis, it could be lung infection, and sometimes it could be asthma. So you need to evaluate it so that they can able to help you as fast as possible. Also, if you have night sweats, you have fever or repeated infection, it means that your immune system has been affected. So you have to report it and then they can help you as soon as possible. You can drop in the comment section any symptoms you are experiencing at the moment so that you can know how to help you. Thank you, and don't forget to share this video.